Hi, welcome to this Npower video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress on your cPanel for the e-commerce project you are supposed to do. Okay, take it again. I want to go. Hi guys, welcome to another Npower training video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress on your cPanel for the purpose of doing the e-commerce project within this training program. So remember the process from previous video. This is the cPanel login page. I'm logged in, so I'm just going to scroll down and look for WordPress icon. So this is Softaculous app installer and this is my WordPress icon. So I'm just going to click that and proceed with hitting the installation button. Okay. So currently we have WordPress installed on the primary domain already. Remember, you were told you can install WordPress multiple times on your cPanel. So I'm just going to hit the install now button. So the most important thing I want to do here is I want to put e-commerce in this field. This means that the e-commerce project you'll be doing will be like this. People can access the site when they type the domain name you are using for this project /e-commerce. This is what your supervisor is going to need to access your work. So that is the reason why I came here to put e-commerce in this field. Okay, so change this from my blog to my e-commerce website. Then you can change this to my Npower e-commerce website. Okay, you can just, or you can put anything you want. Now in this place I can just say Josh admin and then make sure you put a password you can easily remember. This place I told you can put your Gmail. You can put your Gmail or your Yahoo Mail. Okay, so I'm done. So I'm going to, I don't want to choose a theme now. I want to install it, then go to my dashboard to pick a theme that I want to use. So as you can see, WordPress is okay. As you can see, WordPress has finished installing on npowertechsoft.com.ng/e-commerce. Okay, so let's go and check what's happening there. Remember, you were told that whenever you install WordPress, it will come with pre-installed themes. So this is just one of them. Okay, and remember, you were told that they are usually not functional and beautiful. It is left for us now to go and change theme in the WordPress dashboard. So right now I want to proceed to the dashboard where I'm going to select an e-commerce theme for this project. Okay, so I'm just going to hit this link, or you can type it in your browser. So if I hit this, I'm going to jump straight into my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is the WordPress dashboard. That is how to set up WordPress on That is how to set up WordPress for your e-commerce project in this training program. With this, we have come to the end of this session on how to set up WordPress for your e-commerce project during the course of this training. See you in another video.